Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Close CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the voicemail for one of your Close CRM phone numbers? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the voicemail for one of your Close CRM phone numbers anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're dialing out with Close CRM, you know that sometimes people don't pick up, but they'll call you back, and you want to make sure to have a voicemail. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Close CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Now, one thing I want to let you know before you go any further, that this is going to be changing the voicemail for inbound calls. So if someone's calling you, if you're looking to change the voicemail for your voicemail drops, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. That's basically a voicemail you're going to be dropping into other people's phone numbers. So here on the left side, what you're going to do is click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu here in the left in gray, and you want to click on this line right here, phone and voicemail. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these four options here at the top. So the voicemail drop, that's going to be right here. This is for your outbound calling. However, if you're going to change the voicemail for one of your phone numbers, make sure you've clicked here, phone numbers. Once you do that, you're going to see all the phone numbers you have inside Close CRM. You can see I just have this one. And then off to the right here, you're going to see this little pencil icon. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see more information about your phone number in Close CRM. To record a voicemail right here, you're going to look for the section voicemail greeting and just click on record. Okay, so if you already have a voicemail recorded or you paid someone to record it, you can actually just grab it from your computer and drop it right in here. Or you can do what I do and record a voicemail. So just click right here, start recording. Hello, this is my voicemail that you're reaching right now. Leave a message. And then you want to click on done recording. And then you can play it back right here if you want to listen to what it looks like. If it sounds good, go ahead and click on save. Okay, now you can see we've added a voicemail into our Close CRM phone number. And then you want to click on save here on the top right. Okay, so now we have added a voicemail into our Close CRM phone number. So that way, if someone calls us back at this particular number, they're going to get this voicemail if I don't pick up. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a voicemail to one of your Close CRM phone numbers, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.